Hey guys, today we actually have something different and it is a character charisma breakdown, but only from one specific scene. It comes from the movie The Social Network. In the scene, Justin Timberlake's character Sean Parker makes an incredibly charismatic entrance. And I want you guys to check out the video first before we actually go a breakdown. We actually go for a breakdown. So, let's go.
He's 25 minutes late. He founded Napster when he was 19. To be late is not a god. And what is he? He's 25 minutes late. He's here. He does own a watch. I'm Sean Parker. How do you do? You must be Eduardo and Christy and Mark.
From the entrance alone, he establishes that he is a well-known and a popular individual. Do you catch all the details that make him appear this way? Whether you do or not, let's break down the nuances of what makes this entrance so charismatic.
He's 25 minutes late. He founded Napster when he was 19. To be late is not a god. And what is he? He's 25 minutes late.
Firstly, he's late. Being late usually signals that you are in a higher position, but I don't recommend you to do it because if you are on a date or an interview, it doesn't speak well of you. It is best to be punctual, but in this case, Sean Parker is late.
He's here.
Secondly, when he does finally arrive, he immediately puts his hand on the waitress, showing him to the table. This is important because dominant or highly confident people aren't afraid to touch people. Touching people on the back or the arms signal a high level of confidence and creates another level of rapport. Next, he waves to a couple who's dining at the other table. This shows that he has social connections. This is a small observation, but notice that he waves with both of his hands like a rock star waving at his fans. This is a small detail, but it shows that he's very expansive and comfortable with his body, signaling even more confidence. Then this random guy touches him on the shoulder with a huge smile, once again showing that he is a popular dude. Then a waitress came out of nowhere, touches him on the arm with another huge smile. Another proof that he's popular before he finally even reaches his arm out to introduce himself with a strong handshake and a big smile. With these small details, in this short moment, he has established a few things. He is a well-known guy liked by people, charismatic, cool, and popular. If you walk into a restaurant like how he did, I guarantee you that the date waiting for you or the people that you are meeting are going to be sold before you say a single thing. Of course, realistically, this type of entrance isn't feasible unless you are a celebrity or a movie star. But there are a few things that we can learn in this scene on how to make yourself appear more charismatic around people. 1. Increase your social network. Having a lot of friends and knowing a lot of acquaintances can make a difference. That's why they say your net worth is your network. If you know people in school and in workplaces and are in good favor with a lot of them, it will automatically increase your worth in front of a lot of people. And just like Justin Timberlake's character, Sean Parker, don't be afraid to say hi or wave to people that you know when you're out and about. It will make you appear as a well-known and a well-liked individual, which will help you to appear much more charismatic. 2. Don't be afraid to touch people, but keep it to the right places. It is normally acceptable for you to touch people on the back, on the shoulder, or the arms during an interaction. And that's because confident people aren't afraid to touch or tap people when they are talking to others. But be aware of the culture. In Western countries or in westernized parts of Asia, it is normally acceptable for you to touch people, but in conservative parts of Asia, it can be considered rude. So be aware of the culture before you go around touching people during an interaction. 3. Practice introducing yourself with a good, firm handshake with a big smile. In Asian countries, we don't really do this, but in our workplaces, we do. Because of that, a lot of young people don't know how to give a good, firm handshake. Because of that, if you're able to give a good, firm handshake with a big smile on your face, it will naturally create a solid first impression for yourself. These are just some of the basic things that we can learn from looking at Justin Timberlake's portrayal of Sean Parker. The thing is, first impressions are important, and if you're able to create a first impression like Sean Parker or Justin Timberlake did in this movie, you are going to be a winner. Justin Timberlake's character, Sean Parker, in the movie ticks all the boxes when it comes to being a charismatic, confident, modern man. But I want to keep this video only about how you can make a spectacular entrance rather than doing a full analysis. Depending on how this video turns out, I might make a full charisma breakdown on his character, so if you want me to do that, just let me know in the comments below.
Drop the just Facebook. It's cool. Shit.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. This channel is all about providing you with the best resources and materials to help you succeed in the social arena. And that means we do videos on conversations and how you can become much more charismatic and magnetic through character breakdowns like this. We are a fairly new and small channel, so your support is important to us. If you enjoy our video, do click the like button and leave a comment down below, because that will actually get YouTube to promote our channel. And of course, if you want to see videos like this on a regular basis, or you just want to join us on this journey to become much more charismatic and get better at conversations, or you just want to support our channel, just click the subscribe button. With that, this is Calvin for The Modern Asian Man. I'll see you in the other videos. Thank you for watching.